Good afternoon, everybody. I want to talk to you more about the Diddy case. Before I do, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and please leave comments. Okay? Now, I've been getting a lot of comments in regards to my post that the judge can overturn the verdict. Now, it's not a simple thing. And will the judge do it? I don't know what the judge is going to do. Because I'm going to be perfectly honest, folks. I did not trust this trial from the beginning. I told my son a million times, he told me I was wrong. I said, I don't like the way they charged him. Because there's very specific charges that they could have nailed him on very easily that would have gave him 15, 20 years in prison. But do I trust Maureen Comey? Absolutely not. Do I trust her father? You all know, look at her father's being investigated. So why should we trust them? Do I trust Judge Subramanian? I do a little. I think he was a little fair. But I think he made a very fatal mistake in not sequestering this jury. Now, you had this guy, George, who was an alternate jury. All right, and that's all he'll give you, his first name. Okay? All these people with all this bullshit, anonymous, come out with your name. Be a man, be a lady. Tell the truth. Show who you are. No, anonymous. Okay? And the law says they could do it. Okay? But I'm going to tell you, in all these civil cases, Diddy will win a lot of them, especially the ones who are going anonymous. He already won one yesterday. Check it out. Okay? Now, you folks have been telling me in my comments that a judge cannot overturn a verdict on the Diddy trial on guilty charges. Okay? And you're half right. But there is a way he could do it. And I'm going to tell you right here in a moment. Okay? Now, first of all, okay, in federal civil case, that's civil, we don't care about that. A judge can grant the JMOL if they determine that no reasonable jury could have reached a verdict based on the evidence presented. This could be due to insufficient evidence or an incorrect application of law. Well, I don't think that's happened. In criminal cases, a judge can overturn a guilty verdict if they find that there was insufficient evidence for a reasonable jury to find the defendant guilty. However, a judge cannot overturn a not guilty verdict, as that would violate the defendant's Fifth Amendment rights, and again, that's double jeopardy. Judges are very reluctant to overturn this stuff, okay? But now, told you how he can't do it. But now, you can read further in which ways he can do it. When a judge can overturn a jury verdict in certain situations, such as when there is insufficient evidence to support the verdict, the damages awarded are excessive or inadequate, or there is clear evidence of jury misconduct that affected the outcome. Remember those words. There is jury misconduct that affected the outcome. Now, here's an example. that could lead to a new trial. External influence. Jurors being influenced by media reports or outside information. Guess what, folks? All those jurors have cell phones just like you do. Guess what, folks? They were talking to each other while deliberating, or before deliberating. Okay? They already had their minds made up. Guess what, folks? Guess what information you get on your phone? You do the same as I do. Okay? You go to YouTube. Oh, look at it. Oh, Diddy's facing life. Diddy can get life. Diddy can get life. You go home. You turn on your TV. CNN, Fox, all the stations. Diddy can get life. Diddy facing life. Go to your computer. Same thing. Talk to your neighbor. You talk to your husband. You talk to your wife. Oh, he can get life. Folks, I don't want to put away anybody for life. Okay? I don't want to put away anybody except certain types of individuals who deserve to go away. And as you know, my feeling for pedophiles and woman beaters, okay? They should not have a trial. They should be, boom, put in front of a firing squad and shot. And they're right there. Save the taxpayers' money, okay? Everybody says Comey overcharged. She did such a shitty job. It's unbelievable. I wanted to share that. So now, did you understand? If there's outside influences, well, you have an alternate going on national news. So check your stuff, check your legal abilities, okay, and see how. Once again, will Judge Subramanian do it? Who knows? Okay? Bill Schumer is Chuck Schumer. I keep calling him Bill. Chuck Schumer is the guy responsible for him becoming a judge because he is the one who referred him to Joe Biden, who didn't know what the hell he was doing while he was in office.